Recently, I unboxed Harry Potter dolls and Harry Potter vinyl figures, and I decided to make a little DIY presentation box for them. So for this craft project, I'm actually going to use this box that I found at Tuesday Morning for a discounted price. I'm going to be using scrapbook paper, glue sticks, some washi tape, a pencil, an X-Acto knife. If you are a kid, please get parent supervision whenever using sharp objects. And you'll also need a ruler. The reason I picked up this box from Tuesday Morning, first of all, it has one of my favorite book titles on the spine, Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. And then it has this great faux spine of the maps of Europe, and I just think it's really beautiful. A lot of pretty detail in the box. Show you the faux page detail on the side. And then you open the box by lifting this flap, and it's pretty deep. When you flip it over, you could do like a diorama or a display. The dolls I got this for are my Harry Potter figures. So here you can see the height of the box in relation to the dolls, or in relation to my little 3-inch Funko 5-star Harry Potter. I kind of want it to be just a simple display case. So I've gathered some different types of scrap paper. This one is like a faux parchment. I have some wood grain detail for the floor section, Harry Potter inspired scrapbook stickers, and some other Wizarding World pages. If you want to just try to use things that you have laying around the house, you could try using a gift box, like a shirt box, and reinforce it with some cardboard. You can definitely find printables online of Harry Potter images that you could print out and use to paper the background. But these are the materials I have, so let's get started. So I scanned in pages of Harry Potter books and printed them out. And now I need a way to age them. I want to yellow the paper and make it look better as a backdrop. So now I'm going to age them using tea. So I'm going to take some black loose tea, and of course you could use tea bags. I'm going to use loose tea. And I'm going to place it in this baking dish. I boiled some water, and I'm going to pour that over my tea holders. And I'm going to let this seep until the water turns brown with tea. So I've let the water cool and the tea seep. You can see some loose tea leaves at the bottom there. And now I take my page and very gently run it through the tea water. and then I hang it to dry. So now that the papers are dry, I planned out my placement on this part of the open book, and I think I'm going to use some liquid like decoupage stuff to glue this stuff down, and then I might coat it with some Mod Podge. We'll see how it goes. So I let this dry overnight, and I really like the way it turned out. I think it looks great. I was gonna add more pages, but I don't think I want to. But I do think I want to add a couple of stickers, maybe something in the middle here. I printed out this Hogwarts crest from online. I might add a couple of, I think I'll just add a couple other details. But of course, you could make a real scrapbooking effect and add a lot of different pieces all around and do like a little collage. So my book craft is done. I didn't add Mod Podge to this inside lid because I didn't think it needed it, but of course, if you were going to do additional scrapbooking detail, it would probably be a good idea. I ran out of the striped paper that I was using in the background and on the side, so I replaced it on this side with some parchment looking paper, which kind of looks like a plastered wall, and just put in some sticker detail. This craft was pretty easy to complete, and I really love the way it turned out.